Kani gade ka Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komsi benta jong kajing rakhe, ya kalingkos nam kabapra, jong ka company de kali kabahakani ka Nongbah jong ka jela Meghalaya, ka Hyundai Shillong, henne kasngi ka arpsan trek mentau benai risau arja karpra. La Paidbah ya ka kali ka balasan dor thamai jong ka company Hyundai, ka balatep kom ka Santro. Kinong penya yau ya ki kali jong ka company Hyundai, kilaya tho bakane ka all new Santro. Kadai ka kali ke bakinong India ki Nongbah kamtam namar 81 doreka katkum ka jingdong kam jong kinong India. Nalor bakane ka all new Santro kadan ya ka superior K1 platform ka bamon kalong ka baklo jaka sapo bat ka bajam jajai banyak ya ka kadai ru ka wain ki kali ha ka parthai ka badan ya ka automated manual transmission ka jing penmi ya kani ka all new Santro kalong ka aka ka ba jingkman ya kani ka company namar tang hapo ka artayo bala Pyllait Paidbah ya ka hakaleng ka parthai kala khrengi ki babon ki Paidbah ki bathiet kali thamai hadu menta kidan palat karpralak hasatlak ke parthai ki bapanan kam ka kali Hyundai Santro ka Hyundai Motor India Limited kadan hadu shpautli ki model balasna hapori India bat kani ka all new Santro ka baya de ka petrol kadan ya jan baro ki jingdon kam katkom kani ka juk menta ya ka balatep hakaktin pareng ka baong new age technology features hakani ki juga sngi la pliru ya ka free service hakaba ki kinhon jong ki mechanic kin penmare da ki thukthong ban aje rap yikitu ki try kali Hyundai lada don kono ka jing thot hapdeng ka jing ya lanti napdang ki kan ram kilandan bat ki khot nong tray jong kani ka company hakani ka sngi lai don langru managing director jong ka Shillong Hyundai uba kiti marbanyang badru wain ki muktiar ya sat ain bapau ka jella advocate VJK kenta.
I'd just like to talk about the all-new Santro. It's a modern, stylish tall boy design, which was developed, specially designed for the Indian family. And for the first time, Hyundai is coming out with the Smart AMT, that's the automated manual transmission. Also, the Santro has always been loved by a lot of customers. The older Santro had about 1.86 million happy customers, which are still on the road at the moment. The Santro is now in a modern car, comes with a tall boy design, comfortable and premium cabin design, unlike any other car in that segment. Then comes with more new age technologies, customer centric safety, and all-round performance for a complete peace of mind.